Social stratification is a kind of social differentiation whereby a society groups people into social economic strata based upon their occupation and income, wealth and social status, or derived power. As such, stratification is the relative social position of persons within a social group, category, geographic region, or social unit. Stratification systems are either closed, meaning they allow little change in social position, or opening, meaning they allow movement and interaction between the layers. A caste system is one in which social standing is based on ascribed status or birth. Class systems are open, with achieving playing a role in social position. People fall into classes based on factors like wealth, income, education, and occupation. The three main classes in the United States are upper, middle, and lower class. Social mobility describes a shift from one social class to another. Class traits, also called class markers, are typical behaviors, customs, and norms that define each class. Global stratification compares the wealth, economic stability, status, and power of countries as a whole. By comparing income and productivity between nations, researchers can better identify global inequalities.